In this video, I'll guide you through how to import Google Cloud Storage. Whether you're a seasoned cloud user or new to the platform, importing storage is a vital skill that can streamline your data management processes and enhance your project's efficiency. So let's get started and make this process as smooth as possible. First, we need to open the Google Cloud Console. The console is your main interface for managing Google Cloud resources. You can access it by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Cloud Platform website. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account. Having the console open will allow you to view and control various services and resources within your Google Cloud environment. Once you're in the Google Cloud Console, the next step is to go to Cloud Storage. You can find Cloud Storage in the left-hand navigation menu under the Storage section. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Cloud Storage dashboard. Here you can see a list of all your storage buckets, which are essentially containers for your data. Now it's time to select the bucket you want to work with. A bucket is a fundamental component of Google Cloud Storage where your data is stored. In the Cloud Storage dashboard, you should see a list of your existing buckets. Choose the one that you want to import data into. If you don't already have a bucket set up, you can easily create one by clicking the Create Bucket button and following the prompts. With your bucket selected, the next step is to click on Transfer Data or Import. This option allows you to bring data into your bucket from various sources. You can find this option within the Bucket Details page. Clicking on it will direct you to the Transfer Setup page, where you can start configuring your data import. The final step involves configuring the source and starting the import process. On the Transfer Setup page, you'll have several options to choose from depending on where your data currently resides. You can import data from another Google Cloud Storage bucket, an external cloud service, or even from an on-premise location. Specify the source location and then follow the prompts to set up the import parameters. Be sure to review the options carefully, as you'll want to ensure your data is imported exactly as you need it. Once you've configured the source, you can initiate the import by clicking the Start button. This will kick off the process of transferring your data into your selected bucket. The time it takes will depend on the size of your data and the source location, but Google Cloud Storage typically handles these processes efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully imported data into your Google Cloud Storage bucket. This straightforward process is a powerful way to manage your data, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate various data sources into your cloud environment. Remember, the key to mastering Google Cloud Storage is practice. So take some time to explore the various options available and become familiar with how they can suit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.